Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a 1982 Honda CB650 Nighthawk. It's an American bike originally. It's been imported then into Ireland. We know the girl who did it. We then took it in, it needed and we've done a kind of a full recommission of the bike, so it's ready to rock. Carbs, oil filter, tank, brakes, everything like that has had a look over to get it to the stage where it is now, and we're happy enough for it to go out onto its next owner. Thing with American bike, it was Texas originally as well, so you'll see basically no rust or rot is the main thing. The other thing you have to look out for is then with American bikes is obviously heat damage, and there's not really much evidence of that anywhere. It's got original keys as well, and it's low mileage at only 14,000 miles, that is, so 22 odd thousand miles, or kilometers I should say. And yeah, it's running and riding nicely, which we will show you shortly enough. Dual front disc brakes, the front tires okay, front fork seals are okay, front mudguard's good, original front headlamp and indicator assembly. A little bit of signs of pitting there, but I'm being really fussy now. The mirrors here good as well, and the chrome. Honda on this right hand side, a bit of fading there, but to be honest, of the CB650s that we see regularly here in Ireland, this is probably of a better one. Engine again here, side panel, original seat as well is in good condition. The rear here, rear tires okay. Exhaust 82 WW, and left hand side Nighthawk, a little bit of scuffing here and there, original chain guard. So overall pretty good. Engine's looking good as well. Upper end again, no signs of rust, nothing major. Running, riding, I mean for a 1982 bike I think that's pretty good with low mileage, and everything on the bike, there's nothing really missing. So that's it for the walk around. Let's go and have a ride. Okay, so we're on to Honda CB650 Nighthawk. This is not for this bike, and for another bike that didn't end up starting on me, unfortunately. This bike should be pretty good. On and in, and away we go. That was easier than the last one. So there we are, away we are, and we'll go for a little spin on this Nighthawk. Last bike of the day. Sorry, I was trying to jump start a bike. I think I got flooded, unfortunately. So we're away on the Nighthawk earlier than expected. Let me just check that I am recording, and I am. Bike's riding nice and good, plenty of power. Sounds good as well. Sounds great actually. Loads of power. Brakes feel good at the front. Those dual front brakes are actually pretty good. And we'll go right here. Thank God the sun has kind of died down in the previous videos that you probably may have seen by now. There's a terrible sun coming down here. I couldn't see a thing. Well, not a thing I could see coming up this hill. Basically blind riding. But away we are again here. No sun, much better. Bike riding beautifully, going through the gear, stopping and starting, idling. We'll check the indicators at the end. We've got new brake fluid at the front. This is a bike that just needs to be ridden. And away we are. So let me see. Front right indicator seems to be working anywhere, and front left as well. I need to tighten down this left hand side mirror also, and we turn into the left here. This actually looks pretty nice, all the dials and everything at this time of the day. If you have liked the video up until this point, please do leave a like and comment, as well as, if you haven't already, subscribe for many more motorcycle content and motorcycle reviews. They appear on the channel. I think at the moment we've done over 700 bikes reviews, so if you want to have a look at mostly Japanese classics from the 80s, early 80s to early 2000s, then we probably have a video up there of it. All the way from NSRs, RGs, GN125s, CB125s, everything we've done before. So let's just go up here, set the bike down. We'll pull it around here, don't get too involved with him. Now we'll put it into neutral. Put down the side stand, idling nicely. Bike has had a lot run through it, recommissioning it for the road. Front indicators are working. You can see the lights are on. These American bikes, they had the indicators on at the front, and I'll do the ones at the rear for you. Left rear indicator working, right rear indicator working, low beam and high beam working on the front. Bike's ready to go. Honda CB650 Nighthawk. If you have enjoyed the video, again, like, comment and subscribe. And if you want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.